Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Patriana here, and today we'll be reviewing the Olive Young in-house brand is the BRINGGREEN Artemisia Calming Balancing Toner. Of course, follow over the moisturizer. Well, Artemisia is a mugwort plant. It's good to help calm and soothe redness, especially, after like a breakout period. Start having all those like dry patches here and there. They really have to get that under control. They put 70% of the Artemisia capillaris plant extract here. Also, panthenol that really help to strengthen your moisture barrier. The way I use my toner right in my hand, so this way your product goes a long way. It's very watery, runny, but oh my god, smells so good. And it's also made from recyclable packaging. Been testing out the products so far, so good. They're also available on Amazon, just FYI. And then cream here, definitely use this at night because I have an oily combo skin. This one has 54% of the capillaries extract. It's a good amount so far. Also use this for any areas of your body that have like redness or have some irritation, and let it sink in beautifully here. It's good for all skin types, very affordable, and also available at the Olive Young website. Anyway guys, if you use the code PATRIANA20 you can get 5% off. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!